Your doors play a crucial role in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. Over time, wear and tear can take a toll on both exterior and interior doors, leading to issues that affect their functionality and appearance. If you live in Sugar Land, Texas, where weather conditions and humidity can impact door performance, it's essential to recognize when it's time for a replacement. Here are the top signs that indicate you need a door replacement. Visible damage and wear. Your doors are constantly exposed to elements in daily use, which can result in visible signs of wear and tear. Cracks, dents, warping, or splintering wood indicate that your door is deteriorating. These issues not only affect the aesthetics of your home but can also compromise security and insulation. If your door is beyond minor repairs, it may be time for a full replacement. Difficulty opening or closing. If you struggle to open or close your door smoothly, it could be due to several issues, such as misalignment, warping, or foundation shifts in your home. Over time, doors can swell due to humidity, causing them to stick, while shrinking can lead to gaps that allow air leaks. If adjustments or minor fixes don't solve the problem, replacing the door is the best option. Drafts and energy inefficiency. You feeling a draft coming from your exterior door? This could be a sign that your door is no longer sealing properly. Poor insulation can increase your energy bills by making your HVAC system work harder to maintain indoor temperatures. Replacing old, inefficient doors with energy-efficient models can help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Excessive noise. A properly functioning door should provide some level of sound insulation. If you hear excessive outside noise while inside your home, your door may not be sealing effectively. This is especially important in busy neighborhoods or homes near high traffic areas. Upgrading to a solid core or insulated door can significantly reduce noise pollution. Moisture and water damage. Sugar Land's humid climate can contribute to moisture-related issues in wooden doors. If you notice signs of water damage, such as peeling paint, mold growth, or wood rot, it's essential to replace the door before further damage occurs. A moisture-resistant or fiberglass door can provide better protection against these issues. Security concerns. Your door is one of the primary barriers protecting your home from intruders. If your door is old, weak, or has a faulty locking mechanism, it puts your home at risk. Upgrading to a more secure, reinforced door with modern locking systems can significantly enhance your home's security and provide peace of mind. Outdated appearance. An outdated or unattractive door can impact your home's curb appeal. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply update its aesthetic, a new door can make a dramatic difference. Modern doors come in various styles, materials, and colors to enhance the overall look of your home while adding value. Insect or pest damage. Wooden doors, especially older ones, can attract termites and other pests that cause structural damage. If you see signs of pest infestations such as small holes, sawdust-like residue, or weakened wood, consider replacing the door with a pest-resistant material like fiberglass or steel. Frequent repairs. If you find yourself constantly fixing your door, whether it's reapplying weather stripping, repainting, or repairing hinges, it might be more cost-effective to replace it entirely. New doors require less maintenance and can save you money on continual repairs. Choosing the right replacement door. When selecting a new door for your Sugarland home, consider factors like material, insulation, security features, and style. Options like fiberglass, steel, or solid wood doors offer durability and better insulation, while modern designs can enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Working with a professional door replacement company ensures proper installation and long-term performance. Final thoughts. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to consider replacing your door. A new door not only improves your home's appearance but also enhances security, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. Whether you need an entry door, patio door, or interior door replacement, investing in a high-quality door can make a lasting difference. For expert advice and professional door replacement services in Sugarland, consult a trusted local provider to help you find the best solution for your home.